Here is a hopefully new and refreshing EDC idea. No, I'm not talking about the tin box. I love mine. I carry it every day. It has everything I need inside. But I think I'm a little bit fed up with all the videos showing what to put inside, how to paint it, all of that. So I think it's time for something new. And what I'm talking about is this. So hopefully you know this if you're using deodorant, which I hope you're using daily. And when you are done with the product, then you are left with the box, and instead of discarding it, this is a quite rigid box. You know, it has this mechanism that pushes the deodorant up, and there's actually plenty of space inside, and the box is quite ergonomic. Comes in different sizes and different colors. Let me show you what I did with mine. This is just let's call it first edition. I haven't completed what goes inside yet, but just to give you an idea. So although you don't really need, I close mine with a bicycle tube. The cap holds up by itself, but this is just added security. I have a couple of rubber bands here also. So in the cap I have first aid, some Neosporin in a straw, gauze, and alcohol pads. I put it in the cap so it will be most accessible, and then everything else lies under the mechanism. As you can see, I trimmed it a little bit. I trimmed the top and bottom to allow more space. And what's nice is, you know, that when you screw it down, it holds everything inside the box, so it rattles less, which is nice. So let's see what I have inside so far. So what we have inside, this is how it looks like, and this is the bigger one. So we have the first aid kit in the cap. We have magnet, always have full. I think I have a couple of them. Pin, ferro rod. I also have a lighter. Some, let's just take another magnet. This is a little bit tied up here. So some band-aids held up with a pin, just a couple. We have Leatherman Micra, Pepsi Leatherman Micra. We have Leatherman number 2. Paper clip. Can come very handy, you know. Self-amalgamate tape, carabiner, and then there's a sewing thread and some needles here, and this is a cord. On the back we have key ring, you know, that can coordinate with the cord, and some zip ties, some small zip ties here. Put it all on a business card that I trimmed a little bit in the bottom to fit that. If you can see, there's like a dome at the bottom, and that's it. So I'll put up everything inside. So it goes inside. Put the cap back in. Everything else back. Close it. Bicycle tube goes on. And that's it. Again, not a tin box, but very ergonomic, very lightweight, a little bit more space maybe. Hope you like the idea. Thanks so much.